Hi everybody, so I just wanted to share with you a little flip through of one of my finished travel journals, just so that I can share how I create my travel journals. I mean, it's nothing rocket science-y about this. It's fairly simple and straightforward, and it's something that I can do at any point when I'm away on holiday. We tend to holiday in the country that we live in, mostly just because we love our country and we love the countryside and the beaches. So this is just a quick look at how I do this. So I usually use a fountain pen which has waterproof ink cartridges in it, which means that I can doodle in pen and then I can add watercolour details after. So I usually I have like little illustrations as well as bits of writing, and I also use a sprocket. So I'm just going to find it. So I've had this one for quite a while. It's just basically a little portable printer, and it uses zinc paper, so there's no ink in it. It's like magic. And it connects through my mobile phone, and you can print out little images which are great for something like this. So yeah, wherever we go I tend to draw images, and I might document what the weather's like and where we've been. And of course I am a big tea drinker. If you follow my channel, you'll notice I often have a cup of tea on my desk when I'm working. So you will see there's a theme in my pages. There's often a cup of tea. Sometimes I'll do little sketches of places we've been, or even maps which are not obviously to scale. I might add in things that I've found as well, and little logos of places, and then obviously photos that I've taken. An adder that we saw. And I just think this is a really lovely way to document holidays, and it means you can look back, and actually as a family we've loved looking at my travel journals, because in here are things that we've often forgotten that we've done. This is some gel printing that I did onto sticker paper. So I was able to just take the sheet with me, and then I could cut it out and stick it straight in. Didn't even need a glue stick. So it really is basically, when I go away, if I'm doing my travel journal, all I need is this, a pencil, a rubber, and my sprocket, my watercolour paints, and a water brush. And then if I want any bits of paper to stick in, then I tend to use sticker paper, like I said. So it's really a good way to get arty but without taking too many things. So yeah, this is how I do it. And like I say, it's a great way to document what you do on holiday, or when you have special days out. So this time, this was a holiday we were going on to Northumberland, I think, and in the town where we live, Chesterfield, we have a famous crooked spire. And so, because I thought in the past I haven't documented our hometown, I thought I would have that as our leaving home page. And then we were going camping. So this was from a little coffee shop that we went to. This was a paper that was underneath some cake. I just thought it was so cool. So that got stuck in. I've always enjoyed doing little doodles and drawing, and of course lettering too. I love lettering. A really good idea that I have is I have one of these little rings, and on here I collect styles of lettering that I really like. And so it's a really good reference. It's a quick thing that you can look at to have ideas of different styles of lettering that you can do. So yeah, the colours I tend to go in and add afterwards. Oh, and also I might add some very strange things in here too. So this documents just good times, really. I often do this. I don't know why. I get the day completely wrong. Yes. Some days there's not a lot to write, so I might fill it in with a bit more drawing. But lots and lots of happy memories. So it's a great way to create a little journal and, I don't know, just have something great to look back on. So I just thought I'd share this with you. There is also going to be a video where I show you how I complete one of the pages as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this flip through, and maybe I'll see you again on my channel. Thanks for watching.